We've got 120 acres of organic asparagus. We're the biggest UK organic asparagus grower. It's all cut by hand and picked and packed by hand as well. There's no other way of doing it. Asparagus is completely temperature related, so when it's warm it grows quickly, and when it's cold it can stop altogether. We hope to have a 10-week season. It just depends again on the year and the weather. This year it started very early, on about the 8th of April. In 2016 it didn't start until the 8th of May. I'm hoping to carry on through to the end of June, but the asparagus tells you when it's ready to pack up, because it just starts to lose its vigour and it goes very thin. On a good day we'd be hoping to be picking between 2 to 3 tonnes. On a poor day we don't pick at all, so it is really variable. We're normally picking and packing the same day. We'll probably leave the farm that night and be down to Riverford the next morning.